Welcome to another video. Today I received my hookup tackle order from thehookuptackle.com. Make sure you guys check them out. They got it all on their website. Very good selection of baits. They got rods, reels. If you need, new boxes for your tackle or apparel, they got it all. So make sure you guys check them out. So the order came to $90, and I have 3 items on back order. The Ease Swimmer, the Red Eye Shad, and I just got a t-shirt that's on back order. So let's get into it. First I got the Kalin's 5-inch Lunker Grub, clear salt and pepper. Very sweet color. Next I got the Wild Shiner Jerkbait by Strike King and Chrome Sexy Shad. This bait works really nice in the springtime for me. Recently lost mine, so I picked another one up, same color. Gambler Lures Mega Daddy and Green Pumpkin Watermelon Candy. Next, the Excalibur Zelpop ZXZ2 and Z-Shad, I think? Yeah, Z-Shad, I think. Gambler, the Big Ease new shad color. These things look sweet. Excited to try these. Never tried them before. Another pack of the Kalin's 5-inch Lunker Grub and Chartreuse Salt and Pepper. Got a cool color. Plan on using those for smallies. Next, the Snag Proof Perfect Frog in black. Excited to try this Perfect Frog. Tried their other ones and I love them. Gambler Jig, Southern Swim Jig, 5/16 ounce, and this color is black and blue. And I got 2 packs of the 7-inch Power Worm in Motor Oil Red Flake. 2 packs. Next, the Havoc Pit Boss in Lime Purple Passion. Pretty sweet color. Havoc Rocket Craw in Junebug. Never tried this bait before, but it looked pretty cool, so I picked it up. Excited to try it. It is winter here, so got a while, which sucks. And then last, we got the Gambler Lures Flappy Daddy in Florida 5-0. Alright, that completes the order, guys. Like I said, check out the Hookup Tackle. I'll put a link in the description to their website. And we still have a contest going on. We need 15 more subscribers. So as soon as we get that, we're going to put all the names in a bucket and draw, and hopefully you're the lucky winner and you'll get all them baits. So first you gotta like the video, second, enter, comment, enter me, and make sure you subscribe. Any order. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and look forward to more.